Okay, let me introduce you with more detailed introduction about backup capabilities that Vinchin can provide for our customers. First is the VM backup and recovery. You can implement full backup, incremental, and forever incremental backup strategies. For incremental backup, Vinchin supports CBT, Speedkit for fast incremental detection. Second, Vinchin supports LAN-free transmission. This is much efficient data transmission strategy by transferring backup data through storage area network without passing through production area network. Then there is no impact on your business service. For data reduction, Vinchin provides 3 powerful data reduction tools: data deduplication, data compression, and bit detector. Work together to largely reduce data size for saving more space of your backup storage. For VM recovery, Vinchin supports full restore, instant file level restore to restore specific files, instant VM restore for running VM directly from backups, and one more exclusive recovery feature Vinchin can provide is that we support bidirectional V2V cross virtual platform migration among all Vinchin supported virtual platforms in an agentless way. And in this new version, we support agentless VMs migration between virtualizations and cloud platform AWS now.